Hey y'all, it's Sharon from Sharon's Homestead. Just wanted to let you know some wonderful properties of honey lemon cough syrup. Of course, it suppresses the cough, but did you know honey is big in anti-inflammatory properties? It's antimicrobial. It is antioxidant properties are big, huge. It's effective cough suppressant. Did you know that honey may provide antidepressant and anti-anxiety benefits? Did you know it may support a healthy gut so that belly's going to be happy? Did you know that it supports a memory booster? It's a superfood. It's antibacterial, antifungal. It provides nutrients. It reduces ulcers. It also, for the lemon, it's high in vitamin C. It reduces risk of heart disease.